I want to quickly call our attention to some of the mistakes made by some electricians. I said it in one of my past videos that our distribution board should not be positioned in the following areas. Number 1, in the living room. Number 2, in the ante room. Number 3, in our dining room. Number 4, the podium of an event center. Number 5, any surface that adds aesthetic value to a building. Do not position your distribution board there. Why did I say so? The reason is because our distribution board, apart from serving as the terminating point for all the final sub-circuits, it should not be positioned in a place where it is going to deface beauty of a building. Similarly, our distribution board should not also be positioned in our toilets, in our bedroom, or far below the required height of a distribution board where children can easily reach or toy with. I also remember another one. Distribution board should not be positioned in a place that is not accessible. Accessible in the sense that in case of emergency, you should be able to access it. I know some people may still want to ask me, Engineer Oxford, where is the right place to position our distribution board? The quick answer to that is that look for a position within the building that it is hidden and it is also serving as the center of the load. Why did I keep emphasizing being the center of the load? It is because while we are carrying out electrical installation, one of the primary objectives is to be economical. We don't want the installation to consume more cables. So that is why we position our distribution board at the center of the load. When you see some buildings that are well structured, architects that design such a building will look for a befitting corner for the distribution board where it will be hidden and at the same time serving as the center of the load, and at the same time it is accessible in the case of emergency. That's what you are seeing behind me. An interior decorator that handles the decoration of this building is trying to provide a solution to the problem caused by an electrician who sited the distribution board in a conspicuous wall in the sitting room, which defaced the ornamental value or the beauty of the sitting room. But while he's trying to do this and make the surface look more beautiful, is also creating another problem. What is that problem? The problem is that in the case of emergency and there is urgent need to access the distribution board and put off the power supply, it could be somewhat difficult for someone who is not part of this apartment to quickly save the situation. Number 2 is that the material used to cover up this distribution board supports combustion. Anytime there is a fire outbreak, the material used here can easily assist in spreading the fire. We are trying to solve a problem and yet create another problem. Finding a solution to a problem, you should be pragmatic in handling the situation. Try and contact the professional to advise you on how to go about it, the material to use to cover it up so that it will not lead to another problem. Now, like what you are seeing behind me now is the one I am referring to as a timed bomb. If you look at the one you are seeing behind me, can you see it? They provide a solution to it and the material used is safe. This is the best way to protect our distribution board and also to create an aesthetic value for the wall without causing a problem in the long run. I'm your one and only Engineer Oxford. I will see you in my next video.